How to make the strobe effect. Today's video is sponsored by the Rick and Morty. Grab your second clip and bring it on top of the first one. Keep the stacked part in the size of the length of the transition that you want. Cut the second clip on that part and bring the second part down again. Select the top part and open the Fusion page. Click in any empty space and add a background node. Bring a flicker node after and change the flicker type to lift. Increase the range slider all the way and adjust the speed slider to your liking. Play around with the rest of the sliders, just to waste your time. Add a bitmap node after, and make sure your flicker node is connected to the yellow point of the bitmap. Change the channel to luminance, bring down the high value, and increase the low, to make your strobe clean. Connect it to your clip as a mask, and you made your strobe effect. Go back to the edit page, and enjoy your masterpiece. You can always go back to the Fusion page and adjust the speed of the flicker. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, no one asked your opinion.